invading Roswell.
One of them's missing a head. Kind of nightlife we dig. Oh yeah, it's a souvenir. All right, woohoo! It's so good. Oh, this is neat.
Oh, this is so tricky.
I love it. It's a reference. They have definitely embraced this tourist trappiness. Because why not? Art everywhere. So we bought an $18 mug because it supports local art.
So, according to this pamphlet, the grandpa of the person who owns this place actually was one of the firefighters that first responded to the crash in 1947.
Ed's not a believer.
He is not. Shame. Shame. Shame.
Well, there's a museum for this, so it has to be true.
Multiple questions and not enough answers.
This is a pretty intense text thread. This is definitely ET-like. This is what will happen to you if you don't phone home. It's Alien Bill Nye. Cave drawings. Yeah. Oh, here we go. It's the show. Cute.
That is adorable.
Look, Eddie, it's Jiren. Look at all the cute artwork. Boom. Did you like this, Eddie?
So
Do you believe now?
I think yes.
Galactic disinformation horse.
So it's as accurate as the news today.
Luckily, there are no scheduled missile launches, so we're clear for White Sands. What did you think of Roswell?
It was amazing. Wow.
That's a good way to handle that. Sparkling, beautiful, toxic lake. It's a Holloman Lake. Let's go. Decided to not set up camp just yet. Is that a jet?
No, that was an explosion.
Oh, cool. And here's the second national park that Eddie has driven through.
It's a national monument.
It's a national park on the other side of the sign. It's cool, right?
I mean, it's white.
It's so white, I take Subaru to the car wash afterwards.
Look how white we are. Oh, now I gotta sound white. Hey guys, who wanna come with me to the car wash? I have a Subaru.
Time to take the Inner Dune Boardwalk.
Your destination is on the right.
I love boardwalks. Is it just like a really, really short boardwalk?
Well, not short.
How many miles?
I don't know.
Well, should we have brought water? So that was a very short trail, which is good because we didn't bring water. During your lifetime, you will eat an average of 28 pounds of gypsum.
Imagine eating rock.
Well, it's dissolvable rock. All right, let's go eat some gypsum on these dunes.
Darn right. Let's do it.
Wax those saucers and take them down. You gonna start from here?
Yeah, is this a good idea?
I guess. Let's try it.
Climb in there. Weed. Get there. Get there.
You can do it. You can do it.
Yeah, I did it. You can do it.
You're almost there. There you go. Lean back.
Lean back.
There you go. Uh-oh.
Backwards. You got this. You got this. I heard from my cousin that this gypsum sand will just destroy phones.
I hate sand. It's coarse, it's rough, and gets everywhere. A sword.
That was so bumpy. Teenage driver.
Artillery guns and armor plating.
We decided not to park at the lake because there were some ominous clouds that way. So we are here at Baylor Pass Trailhead, and there's an orange banded snake here. I think that's what it's called. Anyway, it's pretty. Don't come this way because we're gonna camp this way. Scaring you off. Go, 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 go.
Oh look, it's a wild, shirtless jogger man. Let's catch him with a Pokeball.
Oh my gosh.
It is so pretty. Absolutely beautiful.